Dr. Quinn, what should a person be doing right now to ensure that they survive this pandemic?
Well, the deal, Andrew, is we have to do everything we possibly can to make our chances the best that we can. And the first thing I want to hit on, number one, is let's continue to follow the suggestions of our medical experts. I mean, let's continue to wear our mask, let's continue to social distance, the hygiene, and all the other recommendations. But also, it's been noted in the research very, very strongly if we have chronic medical conditions, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, lung diseases, especially such as asthma and COPD, if we can get a better handle, basically follow up with our medical providers, take our medications, this will definitely help our chances. And lastly, just want to mention that the research is really strongly supporting the fact that if you can support your immune system, make it as strong as possible, this will definitely help your chances as well.
Now, Dr. Quinn, what are some ways that we can strengthen our immune systems?
Well, basically, there's a lot of information out there, and the research is showing that if you can really reduce unnecessary chronic stress, this is going to have a very positive impact on your immune system. There are a lot of things in our life that are very stressful that are avoidable, or at least we can make it better, such as our relationships. I mean, I advise every married man every morning, tell your wife, I love you, baby. Now that's going to help reduce the stress and make a happier home. But in addition to that, if you have a job, try to get a job with less stress if possible, even if it means less pay. And I know that doesn't sound fun, but I'm telling you, stress is real. I mean, and also the research is saying try to have a more positive outlook on life. And basically, the stress is shown to increase stress hormones such as cortisol, which decrease your lymphocytes. It makes it so that you have increased blood pressure, heart rate that can make you more sick, but also have positive lifestyle modifications such as exercise, diet, get more sleep. All of this will help your immune system so you can be stronger and fight COVID-19 more effectively.
And Dr. Quinn, how long does it take these healthy habits to actually show up in our immune system where we can measure them?
Well, it's funny you say that. I ran across this study, and it was on medical students, and it hit home. Basically, they took blood from 75 medical students, and it showed a moderate level of lymphocytes, which are cells that fight off infection. This was 30 days before their exams. They repeated this during the exams, and basically the blood they drew when these medical students were stressed had low lymphocytes, and they were more prone to get sick, which shows that stress does increase your vulnerability, but also these positive lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise, they have a very drastic impact, and it works very quickly. So let's try to implement this and stay as safe as we can during this COVID-19 pandemic.
All right, Dr. Timothy Quinn, thank you so much for taking a little time with us this afternoon.
Thank you.
You're watching 12 News.